Will someone bake me a cupcake? Hey adventurers, it's Rachel and welcome back to Looking for Adventure Art, and today we have a really fun and easy video for you. We are making a cupcake liner garland, which is currently hanging behind me. Mine is Halloween themed because of course Halloween is coming up, but you can do this for weddings or birthdays or anything else that you want, or you could just decorate your room with them. They're really fun, really easy, and really inexpensive. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. We're just gonna jump on into the video and let's get started. To get started, the things you will need are cupcake liners, and I'm using 10 per pom-pom, and I'm doing 6 pom-poms on my garland. A glue stick, clear tape, twine, and I've cut mine to 8 feet long, and a bone folder. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to take your cupcake liners and you're going to flatten them out using the bone folder. I found that the best way to do it was to start by trying to sort of push down the liner and then take the bone folder and turn the cupcake liner in a circular motion while flattening it out. And then naturally it will fold on over, which is the next step, and you're just going to fold your cupcake liners in half, wrong side out. Now that you have all your cupcake liners folded wrong side out and folded in half, you are going to put them in stacks of 10. You can choose to use more if you want a fluffier pom-pom, or you can use 10, it's up to you. But for this I am using 10 and I'm going to make 6 pom-poms for my garland. Once I have all my stacks, I'm going to take my first stack of cupcake liners and take one of them and I'm going to glue one of the halves completely and then put another cupcake liner on top of it and really try and adhere that together using my bone folder. I'm going to continue to glue the cupcake liners all the way together until all 10 are done, and then I'm going to allow them to dry. Once everything is dry, you are going to take your twine and you're going to cut it to 8 feet. You can choose to cut it longer or shorter depending on your needs, but for me, 8 feet is going to be perfect. And then I'm going to leave a foot of extra, one on each end, so I'll be able to tie it. You can always leave extra of that too if you want. Now that my twine is cut, I am going to measure out that first foot that I want to leave to be able to hang it, and then I'm going to measure my second foot and I'm going to find the center of it, and then I'm going to place my pom-pom directly in the center, having the seam match the direction of the way of the string. I'm then going to take 2 pieces of tape and secure the string to the pom-pom, glue all of that, and then fold it together using my bone folder and allow it to dry. I'm going to continue to do this so I have 1 pom-pom on each foot of my garland. You can choose to put your pom-poms closer together or farther apart if you want, but I just found that this is what I personally liked. Once that last bit of glue has dried, all that is left to do is to fluff your pom-poms and hang up your garland. I loved getting to make this cupcake garland. It is so cute and I love how it adds what a wonderful festive theme to my backdrop. I do wish that I had used a slightly different glue. The glue stick I picked up at the dollar store, it worked just fine, but it was a little bit of a pain in the butt to use, so I'd use something else. But other than that, these were really easy to make. They took no time at all, and if you had friends helping you out, you could get a bunch of these done. You could make them really long. You could put your pom-poms closer or farther together. The options are really endless, which I think is one of the best parts about this. And before we go, I do have a question for you, and that is our question of the day. My question of the day for all of you is, when would you use a cupcake liner garland? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear when you think you would use one of these. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for all the daily updates. And if you happen to make this or anything else on my channel, feel free to email me or tag me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or whatever kind of social media-ness that you guys do, because I want to see it. And don't forget, every day is a new adventure, so come back next time for a new adventure with us.